Students, detectives, sorry. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is top secret. Today, you're officially on Mission Nutrition. In the next few minutes, you'll uncover the secrets to being a healthy and active student with the brains and brawn to match. Ready? Here's the mission in 4 easy steps. First, you'll learn why nutrition is so important. Second, you'll learn how to pick healthy foods at every meal. Third, we will learn how being physically active actually helps us grow and develop. And lastly, we will take all our expert knowledge and share it with our adults. So why nutrition? Well, nutrition is just a fancy word for eating the right kinds of foods that help us to grow properly and be healthy. Unfortunately, not all foods are created equal. Foods that are nutritious have 4 things in common. They help our bodies grow and develop, from getting taller to helping your brain solve those tough math problems. Food is the fuel behind these actions. Speaking of fuel, healthy food is just that. It helps fuel our bodies so we can run, jump, and chase your dog or your little brother around the house. Lastly, healthy foods are full of tiny little things called nutrients, sometimes known as vitamins or minerals, and these help out with all that growing, developing, and energy stuff. All these things together make picking healthy, nutritious food important. So you might be wondering what foods are nutritious and healthy. Well, I'm glad you asked. This is called my plate, and it actually should look a lot like your plate from here on out. You can see that the plate is full of colorful fruits and vegetables. Try to get as many colors from the rainbow as possible and make sure they fill up half your plate. You'll want some grains too, but make sure you keep an eye out for whole grains. These are the real deal, packed with all of the things that you want. Next, make sure to include some protein, particularly lean protein like fish or chicken. Lastly, you'll notice the cup of milk also. Make sure your growing bones are getting enough calcium, one of those nutrients I talked about before, so they can grow properly. Lastly now, don't forget about healthy fats. Yes, there's such thing as healthy fats. Avocados and olive oil are great examples. Now on to my personal favorite mission, which is Mission Move. Here are just a few of the activities, indoors and outdoors, that can get your body moving daily. Why is it important to move? Well, remember that energy we all talked about earlier? All of this healthy food we just learned about needs to be used. So that's where physical activity comes into play. Grab a friend, an adult, or even a pet, and make sure to be physically active for an hour every day. Your last mission is to become the teacher and take on the task of educating adults in your life. You need to share the secrets to success. Tell them what nutrition means. You can have them help you to get onto My Plate Kids Place website, which has some games, videos, and recipes. Ask them if you can help go grocery shopping or prep meals in the kitchen. That way you can get cooking. Ask the adults to play with you outside. Try a new activity, or beat them at your favorite sport. Lastly, spread the message to your friends who aren't in this class. Challenge them to the Presidential Youth Fitness Program, which, yes, is actually a challenge with presidential recognition, because this stuff is serious.